When you need to edit text from photo images with accuracy and clean finishing, we provide a professional manual editing service focused on precision and visual consistency. Our goal is to edit text from photo files while preserving the original design, alignment, and quality. Whenever you want to edit text from photo content, we begin with a careful review of font style, size, spacing, color tone, and background details. This preparation ensures we can edit text if accuracy matters and you need to edit text from photographics without using automatic tools. Our manual approach ensures pixel-level precision. We remove old content carefully, rebuild backgrounds where necessary, and insert new text naturally when we edit text from photo files. Businesses, marketers, and content creators often need to edit text from photo visuals for presentations, website banners, product images, and social media content. Our Edit Text from Photo service is suitable for all these professional uses. Security is maintained throughout every edit text from photo workflow. Files remain confidential, protected, and never shared with third parties. We focus on clean formatting, proper font matching, and balanced color correction whenever we edit text from photo images. Over-editing is avoided to maintain a realistic and authentic look. If you require dependable support to edit text from photo files with professional standards and secure handling, you can contact anytime for high-quality editing assistance.